moments will be gracing us by the soulful Machun Liu Paumei. Is a gospel singer from the Rongmei community and the second runners-up of the Ringwee's Got Talent Season 10 2025. Her voice is a prayer, her performance a celebration of faith and heart. Let's welcome Machun Liu Paumei with a big round of applause.
Hello, chick. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, everyone. Okay. Unstoppable. I think everyone knows this song. Let's sing together. Oh, smile, I know what it takes to fold this down. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on while I see the tear. It's never the right time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put my arm around so you how strong I am. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a virtue with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. Don't need batteries today. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Break down, only alone while cry out loud. You never see what's hiding now, hiding out deep down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, I heard that you like your feelings, so it's the only way to make friendships grow. But I'm too afraid now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody, I saw you there. I put my arm around, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a virtue with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play.
But let's hear it one more time for the beautiful and soulful Machunrelu Paumei. What a voice, what a presence. Thank you for blessing this stage tonight. We're almost ready. Few minutes.